Tás ciún levelún éireannach I mreachtain tan Albain fel áthir, agus chuid bhmhór a son anseo Glaschú. Bhí agus tá tún chur mór agus na héireanna gur gcathair seo, agus is minic ráite gur bé seo tarman na Gaeil in Albain. Ba nós leis na héireanna ceantracha féile a bhainteach ceantracha Gaeilge, áit na cosú leis na garbals agus Góvan Hill, agus thra an rámhaile siad na Conallaigh atá réimiid sa.
Good man, thank you.
Hudie, come santo.
Come on, Tatu.
Sean, Anto Dollar Cogant.
Oh, it's a drugan to chips. From under the heat.
Bíon Gaeil and the head.
You're trying to just on the pretty so one.
British Queens is the
Gaeil go be.
When to what it's so kind of honey schnall.
Hangman Shaw and Satauri need you got to short. And they're hangman short too, hangman Shaw, and you couple in your mehagalino. 3 short and you magally hort to hand agus Dan Magus to my young Shaw.